If you're like me, you love your Crocs, but every now and then, when they're wet, you step out of them and you have a blowout, just like I'm showing you here. This happens, Crocs are pretty tough, but this happens every now and then and can be really frustrating. But I found a fix, and these are the tools that you need to repair your Crocs and save $40 to $50. You'll need a box knife to cut a rectangular area out, but first what you need to do is stick a toothpick through the center of the hole and locate center area, and then you will simply take your martial art and draw a rectangle and cut it out. The next step is to push your toe strap back through as you're seeing me do here, and then you'll get this through. The next step, of course, is to use your contact cement, and the first step is to use it liberally on the gray part and lift the sole up and get it back under the sole also. Then put it on the top and the bottom of the strap and slide the strap back underneath the sole. As you can see here, the rectangular part has been liberally coated and we're getting ready to replace and stick back in. It helps to bend the sole slightly to get the plug back in. The next step is to let it dry, and you can put books on it or some other method, but you've seen here I've used a wood clamp to clamp it, and then you let it dry overnight. And the next slide you'll see a picture of a repair that I did over 3 months ago, and this is held up, and then the new one that we're recording now. So I hope this recording helps you save some money and love your Crocs just a little bit more.